Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for a princess seam bodice, and this is just one of a few different styled princess seams. So for this tutorial I'm going to be using a shaped close fitting bodice block, but I'll link my tutorial for that down below. Okay, so to start off you're going to want to trace around your blocks. So on the back you're going to want to create a nice curved line joining the shoulder dart down to the waist dart, and I did this freehand and then I went in with a curved ruler and shaped it, and this is going to create your princess seam in the back. Okay, so on the front shoulder line you're going to want to mark in a new point midway, and then using a ruler you're going to want to join this point to the end of your bust dart. So this is actually going to create a new dart, and then to do this you're going to want to cut up that new line, and then you're going to close over the old dart, and this will create your new dart. And then again use some sellotape to hold it in place. So as you can see, the back and the front are now divided by the lines, so this is going to create two separate pieces for both the front and the back. So I went ahead and marked in each section as a number, so I have 1, 2, 3 and 4, so you've got 4 separate pieces. Okay, so taking a fresh sheet you're going to want to trace around each pattern. I'm starting with the front centre, which is mark number 4, and that red line that I put in is where your front bodice is going to be divided. So when you've number 4 traced out, then you're going to want to shift your page over a little bit just to leave space between each piece, and then trace out the front side seam, and that one's marked number 3. So you're going to want to continue this process for all the rest of the pieces. So once you've them all traced out, you're going to want to draw them all in with a ruler, and then mark in all your information. Okay, so now we're going to carve out those pointed edges, and carving out the bust points is just going to give you a nice curved seam on the bust instead of a pointed one. So now we're going to slightly shape the seams. So to do this you're going to use a curved ruler, and make sure that you don't go any more than 0.5 centimeters. These little adjustments are just going to help give a nice clean shape to your seams. So now you're going to want to mark in any remaining information, and this is a good time to add your seam allowance. And that is pretty much your finished pattern. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button as it really supports my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!